What a shock to see Freddy at my door. My old friend is back from foreign shore. And just like the prodigal son in the parable, Freddy wants our kinship to rekindle. 5 years now we no hear from Freddy. Him leave the country and him not tell nobody. Look how long we know this so and so. One mind say slam the door and tell him to go. But he began to tell me how we wasted it all. And he's so grateful I returned his calls. He's lost his respect, family and friends. And now he's sorry and wants to make amends. When life good though, him go on to see the I see it killed Mr. Puss. When life good though, no go on to I see it killed Mr. Puss. Him sad state bring a lump in my throat, and he deserved it if I was to laugh or gloat, but I was sad to see my G cry like a wuss. Now we'll learn never to kill the golden goose. Freddy's a good guy, but him hard to hear. I'd always warned him he is too cavalier. I'd say a top cat, Officer Dibble is about. Miss Thomas Puss, your lives are running out. When life good oh, him go on stush. I see it killed Miss Thomas Puss. When life good oh, no go on stush. I see it killed Miss Thomas Puss. Recall the prodigal son who failed his test. Just like Freddy come home begging forgiveness. I guess Freddy learned it's okay to aim high, but spitting at the sky, it fall in your eyes. When life good oh, no go on stush. I see it killed Miss Thomas Puss.